Hi! In front of me is REALME Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this tablet. Start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System, Languages and Input, Alt Print Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. From here, go into Theme and choose Show More over here to see all available ones. When you're ready, click on one of those colors, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images, like that one. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!